Hello everyone, welcome back to the best rooftop gardening channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to grow tuberose or Rajnigandha in a pot. Tuberose is a night blooming flower and it has spellbounding fragrance. We must plant few tuberose plants in our garden for its beautiful flower and fragrance. It will change the ambience of the garden. Rajnigandha or tuberose grow from bulb or tuber. It looks like onion. To grow tuberose, we have to take soil mixture and healthy quality tuber or bulb. Then we have to put the bulbs in the pot and keep it in a shady place for few weeks for sprouting. After 10 to 15 days, sprouting will start and we have to give fertilizer and water regularly for the growth of the plants. The best suitable time for cultivation of tuberose is the end of spring. For preparation of the soil mixture, you can see my previous videos. Links are given in the description. Tuberose are very water sensitive. Therefore, we have to take care about the drainage of the soil. We must use well-drained soil for these plants. Buds will come after 90 to 100 days of plantation, and it took around 10 to 15 days to grow and bloom. You can see new buds are coming. This bud will take 10 to 15 days to grow, and after 10 to 15 days it will start to bloom. As you can see, this is a very small now, and after few days it will grow and then it will look like this one. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updated videos regularly.